New NotebookLM update is insane. Today, I'm going to show you the one update that just broke AI presentations wide open. Google just flipped the switch, and now every single user gets this. No more rebuilding slides from scratch like a caveman. You just tell the AI what to fix and boom, it does it. This is so easy a kid could do it. And honestly, it might be the biggest NotebookLM drop yet. So let me set the scene. You know that pain, right? You make a slide deck with AI. Looks pretty good, but then slide 4 is off. The wording is weird, the colors are ugly. And what did you have to do before? You had to regenerate the whole thing. The whole deck, gone, start over. Pray it comes back better. That was the old world. That world is dead now because Google just rolled out something called prompt-based slide revisions, and it is now live for all users, not just pro. Everyone gets this. Here is how it works. You open NotebookLM, you upload your sources like you normally would, notes, documents, research, whatever you got. Then you tell it to make a slide deck. It builds one. Cool. But now here is where the magic happens. You click on one single slide, just the one you want to change, and you type what you want different. That is it. You could say make this shorter. You could say change the background to dark mode. You could say add a graphic of a rocket. You could say make this sound more professional. And the AI only changes that one slide. The rest of your deck stays exactly the same. No more blowing up 20 slides because you wanted to fix one. That is a game changer. And I am not exaggerating when I say this was the #1 most requested feature from users. People were begging for this. Go look at Reddit. Go look at LinkedIn. People lost their minds when this dropped because finally NotebookLM is not just a slide generator anymore. It is a slide editor. Big difference. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now, let me show you why this matters even more than you think. Because the slide revision thing alone would be huge. But they did not stop there. They added something else that makes this whole thing actually usable in the real world. You can now export your slides as PowerPoint files, real PPTX files, the kind you open in PowerPoint, the kind you send to your boss, the kind you hand to a client, the kind you use in a meeting. Before this update, your NotebookLM slides were kind of stuck inside NotebookLM. Cool to look at, but hard to actually use anywhere else. Now you hit export, you get a real PowerPoint file, and you can go finish it in whatever tool you already use. That bridges the gap between AI magic and real work. Think about what this means. You upload your research, AI makes the deck, you tweak each slide with simple prompts, then you export the whole thing to PowerPoint and hand it off. That is a full workflow. That is not a toy. That is a tool. And wait, it gets even better. Because all of this works on your phone too, Android and iOS. You can revise slides on your phone. You can edit a presentation on the bus, on the couch, in line at the coffee shop, wherever you are. That is insane. Most people do not even know NotebookLM has a mobile app. And now that mobile app can do all of this. Let me walk you through a real example so you can see how fast this is. Say you are a student, you have a big presentation due tomorrow, you have all your notes in a Google Doc, you throw that doc into NotebookLM, you click generate slides, boom, you have a 10 slide deck in like 30 seconds. But slide 3 has too much text. Old, you would regenerate the whole deck and hope for the best. New, you just click slide 3, types make this more concise, and it rewrites just that slide. Done. Slide 7 has a boring chart. You type change this to a bar graph. Done. Slide 1 looks too plain. You type add a clean professional style. Done. Each edit takes seconds, and you never lose the rest of your work. Now, if you are serious about using AI tools like NotebookLM to save time and get ahead, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. Is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We show you exactly how to use tools like NotebookLM in real workflows that actually move the needle. Link is in the description. Go check it out. Trust me, you will not regret it. Okay, so here is the thing that most people are going to miss about this update. It is not just about slides. It is about what this tells us about where NotebookLM is going. Think about it. First, they gave us audio overviews. Then they gave us slide generation. Now they gave us slide editing and export. You see the pattern, right? They are turning NotebookLM into a full content engine. You put your sources in and you get finished products out, not drafts, not rough ideas, finished, polished, ready to use content. And here's my prediction. This is just the start. If they are doing prompt-based editing for slides now, What is next? Prompt-based editing for the audio overviews, prompt-based editing for the study guides, the ability to say, hey, make the summary longer or make the FAQ section focus on this topic. That is coming. I would bet on it. And when it does, NotebookLM becomes one of the most powerful AI tools on the planet. Not because it does one thing great, but because it does everything from your own sources, your notes, your research, your documents. That is the key difference. And here's the best part. You do not need any design skills. Zero, none. You do not need to know how to use Canva. You do not need to know PowerPoint shortcuts. You just need to know how to type a sentence, make this bigger, change this color, add a graphic here. That is the whole skill set. If you can text your friend, you can edit slides in NotebookLM now. Let me talk about what the community is saying, because the reaction has been wild. People on Reddit are calling this a productivity breakthrough. And I do not use that word lightly, but when you remove the biggest bottleneck in AI presentations, which was the inability to edit individual slides, you unlock a totally different way of working. People are not just generating slides anymore. They are refining them. They are iterating. They're going back and forth with their AI like it is a design partner. That is a whole new workflow that did not exist a week ago. Now, here is what I want you to do right now. Open NotebookLM, upload something, anything, a Google Doc, a PDF, some notes, generate a slide deck, then try the revision feature, click a slide, type a change, watch it happen. I promise you, the first time you see it work, you're going to smile because you're going to realize how much time you just saved. And then you are going to wonder how you ever lived without it. One more thing I want you to think about, the export to PowerPoint feature is not just convenient, it is strategic, because it means NotebookLM is not trying to replace PowerPoint, it is trying to work with it. You use AI to do the hard part, the first draft, the structure, the content. Then you export and do the finishing touches in the tool you already know. That is smart design. That is how AI tools should work, not replacing your workflow. Fitting into it, so let me recap what just happened. Google rolled out prompt-based slide revisions to all NotebookLM users. You can now edit individual slides with text prompts without regenerating the whole deck. You can export your slides as real PowerPoint files. And all of this works on mobile too. This is not a small update. This takes NotebookLM from a cool experiment to a real tool you can use every single day. Now, if you want to learn how to automate your business and save massive amounts of time using AI tools like NotebookLM, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We have step-by-step workflows, real case studies, and a community of people who are already using these tools to get ahead. The link is in the description and the comments. This is where the serious people hang out. Come join us. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. It is completely free, and it is the best AI community on the internet. Julian Goldie reads every single comment, so drop a comment below. Tell me what slide prompts you're going to try first. I want to hear your ideas. Smash that like button, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next one.